Meet Amanda. She's another working mom in the office. There are so many inappropriate videos online. She's worried that her daughter might be watching the wrong things. Not to mention the time her daughter spends on smartphones and tablets. That is definitely not good for her young eyes. Let's see how EZChannel can help. Look, here's a good educational video for her daughter. She can share it to her family playlist in EZCast and EZChannel. When Amanda gets home, the video she shared is already playing on TV. Now she can relax, knowing that she can decide whatever her daughter watches on TV, even when she's not home.